In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert lat long in DMS to decimal degrees in Excel. If you're working with geographic coordinates in a spreadsheet, you may come across values written in DMS format, which stands for degrees, minutes, and seconds. In many cases, mapping tools, databases, and analysis software prefer decimal degrees instead. The good news is that Excel makes this conversion very simple once your data is organized correctly. To begin, open Excel and go to a blank worksheet or the sheet where you want to perform the conversion. You'll want to make sure your data is arranged clearly so the formula can work properly and be copied down without any issues. Next, enter some sample data into your spreadsheet. Typically, this means placing degrees in one column, minutes in the next column, and seconds in the third column. For example, you might have your degrees in column A, minutes in column B, and seconds in column C. Then, you'll use column D to calculate the decimal degree result. Keeping each part of the coordinate in its own separate column is important because the formula depends on that structure. Now, click into cell D2. This is where you'll enter the conversion formula. In DMS format, the degrees stay as they are, the minutes need to be divided by 60, and the seconds need to be divided by 3600. That's because there are 60 minutes in a degree and 3600 seconds in a degree. Excel can combine those values into one decimal number for you automatically. In cell D2, type the following formula: equals A2 plus B2 divided by 60 plus C2 divided by 3600. This tells Excel to take the degree value, add the minute portion converted into degrees, and then add the second portion converted into degrees as well. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter. Excel will immediately calculate the decimal degree value for that row. If your result looks correct, you can then drag the fill handle down to apply the same formula to the rest of your data. This is especially helpful when you're working with a long list of coordinates because it saves time and keeps the calculation consistent across every row. As a quick tip, double check that your source values are numeric and not stored as text, since text formatting can sometimes prevent formulas from calculating correctly. It's also a good idea to format the result column with enough decimal places so you can see the coordinate precision you need. That's all it takes to convert DMS coordinates into decimal degrees in Excel. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.